pressure. For the eyes. Come on, Ash.
The wristness.
Fuck up the way!
Surrender to the blender.
No, it's just like a drink. I have found AJ's new talent. Painting bitches. Mini dogs, bro. Hey? Oh, it's just finished. That hip action. Do it again. Here you
Just finished the painting.
Yes, we have.
It's looking good. Chest day. That's per. This fucker.
Y'all don't really want it like here comes the here comes the here comes the y'all don't really want it like here comes the here comes the here comes the y'all don't really want it like E-double-L. I said so. I keep big bills up in my heart on the dirty like blood. So ain't got no twist in my head, but I'm still dreadful and I got plenty of bread, so I go to bed full. I'm in it to win it. I'm all in. I might call you my cuz, young blood, but we ain't kin. You think of jumping, man, you best think again. The dirty, I'm the type of man that might go broke for revenge. Had some not so nice friends, kick the door off the hinge, take the door off your bins, pop up on 4 of your friends. Man, please, this shit ain't cynical. Man, no subliminal, I'm physical, financial, and mental to be a general. Hey, the mama claims she want a soldier, not the type be in the tank, but in that Rover. Man, please, I'm in the zone like AIDS full blown. I'm killing it like a blind man reading. I'm feeling it like here comes the here comes the here comes the y'all don't really want it like here comes the here comes the here comes the y'all don't really want it like here comes the here comes the here comes the y'all don't really want it like here comes the
ABH. Boom. Right, so I'm bringing you. We went out last night. Me and Ash, good effort to him. He's actually got up, managed to go to work somehow. You know, we didn't get back till like 6 this morning, I think it was, and he had work at 8, taking circuits, so good on him. A round of applause for Ash. Right, so after this video, I was going to make a quick little review of this. ABH, it's called Actual Bodily Harm by PPS Nutrition pre-workout. By the title you can tell, you know, it's got to be pretty epic if that's the title what we're talking. As you can see, nice little bit of packaging. Now it is on the actual website, so if you want to check out ppsnutrition.com, that's what we're dealing with, and they've got a lot on there. Actually, I'll just quickly have a quick flick through. Boom. There you go, check it out. AJ10, 10% discount. There you go, and it's all for services and stuff as well. They do all that sort of stuff, and they're on for the passing the drugs test, so that's always good, isn't it? Right, back to the ABH. Right, so what we've got, if you have a look at the ingredients, it'll focus. if it'll focus. There you go. Just read through that. You can see, well, 15 gram serving, that's 1.5 scoops. So you could do it in like half scoop measures. Obviously, being a lunatic that I am, I go for 1.5 scoops, 15 grams, and you can tell there's actually quite a lot in there. Like the bit around the lane, you can tell if you like an itch, this gets you itching. This definitely gets you itching. I do personally, I like the itch because it sort of, you know, gets me in the mood and gets me. That's what gets me buzzing really. With this, I feel strength wise, to be fair, I buzz off that stuff. You know, I have great workouts on this now, so I'm gonna just keep using it. Obviously, I've got lemon and lime flavour, which, if you like gin and tonic, it kind of tastes a bit like that actually, which is always good. But they also have tropical flavour as well, which is meant to be a lot sweeter. So that's I'll be sure to try that next, I reckon. But yeah, check it out, guys. Not just ABH, but the whole works. You've seen protein before, yeah. ABH.